Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and what party is good without a platter full of delicious cheese, crackers, and meat? So that's why I love this Royal Craft Wood charcuterie board. Now, it has been a very popular thing of late to have a charcuterie board, and I have struggled a little bit to find one that is the right size. There's a lot of really big ones with compartments and all these other things, which is great, but usually I like to have more smaller, intimate parties. So I really like the size of this one. It has a very beautiful bamboo look. I like the branding that they have with the beautiful design and also the cool names of the different types of cheeses that are out there. I like the little side compartments that they have that you can put nuts, pretzels. It's got nice handles so that you can pick it up and put it down with ease. It's beautiful, it's well made, it's a great value to have in your kitchen, especially if you are maybe having a special night for the family, having a small party, or you're just bringing a small platter to a party. It's the perfect size. It's not something that's going to take up so much space where you need to dedicate an entire shelf or drawer to it. It's really nice. I have really enjoyed using it, and it really just ups your game for the platter that you're trying to present. It makes everyone feel special and fancy, and it's just a lot of fun to have. I'm so glad I found this, and that's my point of view.